Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. One of the most talked about issues among the Southeasterners, that's the Ndigbo, is actually the case of Igbo Presidency come 2023 and Biafra. And most of them have been going for Biafra. Fairly recently, I noticed that so many people support Biafra than Igbo Presidency. And this is as a result of a lot of things that has happened thus far. But guess what? There's a cleric, a well-known cleric, who has given his own opinion, and his opinion is actually based on the revelation that he has gotten. And he's telling the Ndigbos that whatever they are doing to see Igbo Presidency being actualized in 2023 is an exercise in futility, and he is pointing at one direction, that they should go for Biafra. And he had also revealed a lot, which I'm going to be sharing with you in the news. But before we continue, if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. According to the news, Bishop Chris Ude, founder of Mount Zion Faith Global Liberation Ministry, aka Fire by Fire, located at Nnewi in Anambra State, has advised Ndigbos not to dissipate their energy on the much talked about Igbo Presidency in 2023, but rather go for Biafra actualization, as according to him, from the look of things, Ndigbo has no future prospect in the Nigerian project. He said, looking at the lopsided appointment of service chiefs and other political appointments so far made by the present Buhari administration, coupled with incessant shooting and killing of Igbo youths by soldiers in various parts of Igbo land, Ndigbo, including Ohaneze, do not need a soothsayer to tell them that they do not have any stake in Nigeria, both now and in the future. Speaking to newsmen in his office in reaction to the recent appointment of service chief, Bishop Ude revealed that he saw in a vision where the Igbo Presidency project flopped by either the North, which is in majority, did not allow an Igbo man to emerge as president, or that if an Igbo man emerged, the power brokers in the North would continue to teleguide him, or worse still, cut his tenure short by hoisting him out of office prematurely. According to the cleric, and I quote, is what I said, I have a revelation that Ndigbo's quest to produce a president, Nigerian president, would not only amount to a fruitless venture, but also an exercise in futility. I insist that what would favor Ndigbo is to expedite effort to actualize Biafran nation and not an Igbo president, because any Igbo man elected as Nigerian president would not last in office and would be subjected to the wishes and dictates of the power brokers in Nigeria. The northern oligarchy has continued in pretense to support Nigerian president of Igbo extraction in 2023 as if they meant it. Ndigbo should be cautious about the game plan and not to fall for it, he cautioned. All the judicial appointment in the current government at the federal level goes to the North. How do you think they can easily allow an Igbo man to become a president to lose their position just like that? It is not possible. The game plan is to pretentiously allow an Igbo man to become president only to frustrate him. Restructuring is not even a good option. I don't support that. Biafra is the solution and nothing less than that, the bishop declared. He noted that the much talked about 2023 presidential election might not even hold. In his opinion, the best thing is for all the three major ethnic groups in Nigeria to rise up and fight for their individual nation state diplomatically without violence, saying that the One Nigerian project has failed. Bishop Ude maintained that the killing by the insurgents and other banditries in the northern part of Nigeria that has refused to abate with consequences of the millions of Igbos killed during the Civil War, adding that the violence would only stop when the Igbos were allowed to have Biafra. He disagreed with the new Ohaneze Ndigbo leadership that allegedly declared that Igbo were not looking for Biafra. He described the comment as sabotage and advised that the Igbo Apex Sociocultural Organization should be mindful of the way it addresses sensitive matters that concern the Igbos. He called on the British government to work out Biafra freedom, since the way the people who amalgamated the northern and southern part of Nigeria that have remained incompatible till death. He said that the British architect of one, he said, and I quote, he said that the British architect of one Nigeria would not have rest until they undo what they did against the collective will of the people. This is really a serious one, I tell you. And I noticed that so many pastors, so many clerics from the Southeast have always been talking about the realization of Biafra. You listen and you hear them talk about Igbo Presidency, you're going to get it and all of that. All of them are still talking about one thing, cessation of the Biafra. But, one of the questions I would love to talk about, or one of the things I would like to talk about, is how prepared are these people who are fighting for Igbo Presidency? Because if you look at a lot of things that have happened thus far, especially in the area of appointment, just like this man has said, it points to the fact that the issue of marginalization must be dealt with first if they want to fully be absorbed by the people of Nigeria. I'm talking about the Ndigbos here, because over time I realized that anytime such cases are brought up, they keep dodging it. Nobody is ready to talk about it. And you hear what this man has said. Had a revelation. And that revelation points to the fact that there is no hope of an Igbo president come 2023. And, I would not say let's convince those who are going for Igbo Presidency to stop. They should come for Biafra and all of that. The way I'm seeing the way things are going, just allow things to keep rolling. If it is the will of God, you just see it play out in a very shocking manner. You understand? Don't forget that if this thing fell, 2023 fell, I think that everything will come to a standstill. The way I'm seeing, the way I'm seeing, based on a lot of things that have happened in the country. The Yorubas here are neck bend even for presidency come 2023. If you have listened to what they have been saying severally, they keep talking about that if they are not given the opportunity, then the next move will be Oduduwa Republic. And the Igbos here also, some are saying Igbo Presidency. If you don't give us Igbo Presidency, we are going for Biafra. So who are we going to give it to? If you give it to the Yorubas, sure, Biafra will happen. If you give it to Biafra, even with that, most of them are not even interested in it. You understand? Like this guy, and that's like the leader of IPOP. He has always been saying it. He's not interested in anything, not even to become the president of Biafra. What he's interested in is seeing the Ndigbos being separated and the dream of Biafra being a reality. You understand? So right now, it's really a difficult issue. But I want you to go to our comment section. Let us interact. What do you have to say about this bishop, what he has said? Do you think that he is absolutely correct? Or do you think that he's just judging the way things are going out, that the future might be bleak for Ndigbos in Nigeria? Listen.